Welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we'll be showing you how to beautifully decorate brick floors in your kitchen. With the right components and a little creativity, you can transform your kitchen into a rustic and charming space. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary components ready for the job. You'll need bricks, mortar, grout, sealer, subfloor, underlayment, vapor barrier, primer, expansion joints, trowel, float, level, screed board, brick cutter/saw, broom, knee pads, rubber mallet, sponge, buffing machine, and finishing wax. Safety first, so don't forget your knee pads. Start by cleaning the kitchen floor thoroughly, removing any dust, dirt, and debris. If you have an existing floor, ensure it's level and even. Now, let's lay the underlayment and vapor barrier to provide a stable foundation and protect against moisture. With the surface prepared, it's time to apply the primer. This will help the mortar adhere better to the subfloor. Once the primer is dry, grab your trowel and start spreading the mortar evenly across the surface. Now comes the fun part, laying the bricks. Make sure to leave space for expansion joints as bricks may expand with temperature changes. Use a level and a rubber mallet to ensure the bricks are flat and even. A brick cutter or saw will come in handy to adjust the size of edges and corners. After the bricks are in place, it's time to fill in the gaps with grout. Apply it carefully, making sure it's flush with the brick's surface. Once the grout has dried, apply a suitable sealer to protect the brick floor from stains and moisture. Let's give the floor a good cleaning to remove any excess grout or debris. Once it's dry, use a buffing machine to achieve a smooth and polished finish. Finally, to enhance the beauty of the brick floor and provide an additional protective layer, apply finishing wax. It will give the floor a lovely sheen and make it easier to clean in the future. And there you have it. Your kitchen now boasts a stunning brick floor, adding warmth and character to the space. Remember, with a little creativity and the right components, you can transform any room into a beautiful and inviting haven. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting interior design tips. Happy decorating!